What if I tell you that most women will not have a running flood, a running tap like you have imagined when it comes to female ejaculation or when it comes to squirting? Now, in this video, let's discuss the best technique that you can use to help your woman to squirt if that is what you're looking for. First of all, there's something known as the squineal gland that is behind the pubic bone and that surrounds the urethra. The front of this pubic bone is linked to the deeper fascia of the clitoris, and that is why when you press this area it feels good because of the presence of the clitoral tissues in that place. That is why it feels that way. Using your finger to explore this area, around this area, deliberately angling upward and towards the pubic bone, this is what you are doing. You are actually stimulating the periurethral glands, which is on top of the vaginal wall. Because the clitoris forms the wall of the vagina, it makes the upward stimulation feels good, and that is why you see grinding and dancing feels good awkwardly. A large number of women have said that they have not experienced squirting before. They don't know what squirting is, and some even said they don't have orgasm through penetrative intercourse. But when you do this angle upward stroking with some sort of light pressure on the clitoral area, it can actually make her to squirt. All you just need to do is to ensure that there is slight clitoral pressure, friction, and clitoral stimulation to have that pleasure ongoing. So it is the continuous stimulation and exploration of these places, of this area, that can make her to have squirting, or that can help her to orgasm. Another technique you can explore is to help her to continuously strike the glands, that pointed out a part that you can see outside, to continuously stroke it, but gently. You can do this with your erect penis. You just need to strike non-stop in an upward, sideways, and downward manner. This method is called kunyaza. It is a traditional African method. This method is a traditional African way of making love. So basically, all you just need to do is that while you are thrusting as a guy, you just remove your penis and then you stroke this clitoris area, like I said, gently upward, sideways, downwards, but quite gentle, because you don't want to alter. But when you do it in the right way and you stimulate the right places, you'll be able to see the reaction on her face. This Koyaza study has recognized that if you focus on the clitoral tissue, you can make her beg and scream for more. This method has been passed on from generation to generation. It is not a new thing. And also, you need to know that women can be multi-orgasmic. Women are multi-orgasmic in nature. Without you even coming as a man, your woman can actually squirt or come 2 or 3 times even before you ejaculate as a guy. So if squirting is something you want to explore, or you want to experience, or you want your lady to have, then you can actually explore this method. Always remember that the main thing here is clitoral stimulation, clitoral tissue, and angling upward during penetration. But then we have been talking about squirting, about orgasm. What do you even know about squirting? What do you know about female ejaculation? In order for you to help your lady to squirt, of course you need to understand what it is. Some people have said, oh, it is urine coming from the bladder, while some people said it is a fluid coming from the prostate. Which of this is true? Let's discuss this. Based on research, squirting contains a large amount of water, like liquid similar to urine, that is coming from the urethra. While female ejaculation is a small amount, thick, milky like substance, just like the semen for men, and this milky discharge is thought to come from the prostate gland, which we call periurethral glands in female. This periurethral gland is around the urethra. During intercourse, there is a stimulation that occurs, and this gland actually gets full, and this is why when you angle upwards, you can feel the urge to urinate because of the pressure on the bladder. When there is continuous rhythmic stimulation of this area, that is when there will be friction, there will be tension, and because of these reactions, this will actually help the fluid that is similar to the semen, that is similar to that urine, to be propelled forward, and then you have squirt. So it is the continuous stimulation of these things that can help her to squirt. I hope you understand the difference between squirting and female ejaculation now. So like I said, the continuous rhythmic stimulation of this area will help the fluid that is similar to that urine to be propelled forward, and that is where there is squirting, or there is squirt as you all call it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please like this video, share with as many people as you can, leave a comment in the comment section. I would like to read from you. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.